Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is your very first time here. My name is Maya, and today y'all we are doing a little bit of a self-care day. Your girl been stressed, you hear me? If you watch my vlog, sis, and you've been keeping up, then you know I have been traveling back and forth to Atlanta like crazy. I'm dealing with home stuff and figuring out my loan and all that stuff. Right now I am filming this before I close on my house, which is happening like this weekend. But y'all, I've been so stressed out. I'm not even kidding you, sis. I've been stressed and I have really been neglecting myself. So we're doing a self-care day today. We're just at the crib, we're chilling. I want to pamper myself and just kind of, you know, chat a bit. So it's really just a casual kind of maintenance self-care day is what we're gonna do. Thank you so much to Beauty Counter for sponsoring today's video, and we are gonna hop right into our self-care, y'all, because your girl, mine is just all over the place, sis. It's all over the place. So it's early in the morning, y'all. My flight leaves tomorrow and I just feel like I need to woosah, and this came at the perfect time. I'm about to just focus on doing some skincare right now. I need to wash my face first because the face is not washed, sis. We need to wash the face. So I'm about to just use a cleanser to clean off my skin and get my skin prepped because we are about to do a face mask here in a moment. But y'all, yeah, I've been going through so many life transitions right now. So many life transitions, and in the past few weeks, y'all, like I haven't gone on no solo dates, like I haven't been doing my full skincare routine, like there's so many things that I have not been doing for myself that I typically make sure I have in my routine, and I gotta pull myself back, especially now. If you watched last Wednesday's video, now that I'm in a relationship or whatever, I gotta make sure that I'm still taking care of Maya. You know what I'm saying? Why I didn't pull my hair back, y'all, is another question. Let me wash my face off. Okay, so now my face is nice and clean and dry, and we're gonna do a face mask while we continue to talk, y'all. But let me go ahead and make sure my hair is pulled back because your girl be tripping and my hair will get all up in the way. The hair back, sis. We can still be cute with the hair pulled back. But we are about to use a face mask, y'all. Thank you again to Beauty Counter for sponsoring today's video. And I'm gonna be using first, guys, the Beauty Counter Reflect Effect AHA Smoothing Facial Mask. I've used this a couple times since they sent this to me, and I freaking love this mask, y'all. I freaking love it. If you are not aware of the Beauty Counter, it is a clean beauty brand. So they have makeup products as well as skincare and body products. Beauty Counter has super high performing products that are good for your skin while also giving you the luxurious feel, which y'all know I am all about, sis. You're gonna hear me say it every time I feel like I'm diving into luxury, sis. I love it. And you should too. But this mask in particular, y'all, has so many different acids and ingredients that are really good for your skin. I'll go ahead and pop some of those up on the screen so that you guys can really dive into what would be helpful for your particular skin type. But me personally, I like the fact that it kind of resurfaces your dead skin cells and gives you like a brighter, not brighter as in color, brighter as in, you know, just brighter complexion, you know, where you don't look as dull. I also love that it has bamboo particles in it as well, which helps for exfoliation. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the face. You can apply it with your hand, or you can apply it with Beauty Counter's 3-in-1 facial tool, but I'm gonna use this for kind of like massaging later, because you can use this just to like massage the skin prior to your mask or, you know, anything like that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this with my fingers, and you can leave it on the face for about 10 minutes. Well, I didn't put my hair in a ponytail, child. Y'all, Lord help me, Jesus. But it's easy to see as you apply it. You can see the exfoliating particles inside of the mask, and I'm just applying this evenly all over. But I do like how it leaves my skin nice and smooth, and like I said, like that brighter, less dull complexion. But yeah, like I was saying, y'all, I just felt like it's important for me right now with all the changes going on in my life for me to continue to, you know, do self-care and keep my routines, like especially with me being in a relationship now and splitting my time. It's not just all about me anymore. Well, of course, it was about a mirror too, but you know what I mean? Like my self-care time is essential to me. And that's not just because I show it to you guys on the internet, child. That's my true real life. And I don't want, you know, everything that's going on in my life and the changes, though they are beautiful and great changes, I don't want it to interfere with me, you know, doing what I need to do for myself. So I'm even going through a little bit of stress right now with the house situation is concerned, and I'm leaving for Atlanta tomorrow. Like, that's another reason why I'm so happy that this came at the right time, because I just really need to de-stress a little bit and take care of myself. But anyways, this is the mask all the way on. We're gonna give it 10 minutes. Let me see what time it is. Maya, get your life. So it is, I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes on my face, but we're gonna chill out a little bit while it's doing what it needs to do, sis. Throughout the rest of the video, we are going to be using some more beauty counter products, but y'all, I think I'm about to go and take a shower and exfoliate my body while this mask is sitting, because like I just need the full get up. Like, I need to shave, child. I need to get my nails did. We need all the things. All the things. I just really feel like I've been neglecting myself, sis. Like, I really do it. I don't like that. But I will have links to this mask, which I really love. You can already tell like what it's doing to my skin underneath. But anyway, I will have links to this in the description box. Make sure you guys check that out and stay tuned for some other products we're gonna be using from Beauty Counter in this video. So yeah, y'all, we are about to go ahead and head in here and we're gonna take a shower and just talk a little bit more about, you know, why I personally feel like it's super important to continue to take care of yourself, especially when you have so much going on in your life. You know, that's the main time that you got to do it, and I'm teaching myself that right now, because I just can't let myself do this again. Like, I feel unkept, I feel not prioritized in my own life, and sis, that ain't the way to go. I don't like that. I don't like that. So y'all know that I am a sucker for self-care, right? Like I've been saying, this part of my life, y'all, I have just been neglecting myself. My skin been dry, child. My skin's been peeling, like, it's just been terrible. So I just want to take the day to really pour into myself, make sure that I'm taking care of my body and my skin, and just kind of make myself feel special like I typically do. I feel like as women, we are expected to, you know, show up for everybody else and to, you know, do what they need us to do. And sometimes it's really easy for us to forget about ourselves. And I don't like when I feel that way. I'm not my best self. I don't operate the best. I don't do what I need to do. I don't stay on top of things the way I need to when I know that I'm not taking care of me. So whatever that means for you, self-care wise, for me, obviously, is taking care of my body, listening to my music, it being in prayer, you know. For me, that's what it looks like. But for you, you know, it could be whatever it is that you can do to make yourself feel good and prioritized in your own life. I feel like that's just super duper important these days when it comes to sanity, child, because the life's responsibilities can take over. You hear me? It can take over. All right, y'all, so we are out of the shower. I went ahead and changed my robe, obviously, to a clean robe. And then I also spent some time praying while I was, you know, lotioning up the body. So we skipped that part just because I kind of wanted that to be a personal moment, child, because I am focused on something very specific right now. But anyway, yeah, y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and take off this mask. I am gonna put some warm water on my face, and then I'm gonna use the bristle side of this applicator, and I'm gonna use it to break up the mask. And this essentially is just loosening it up and then also helping to, you know, exfoliate the skin and really get that exfoliation that we're looking for. Speaking of exfoliation, baby, that exfoliating body scrub that I just used in the shower, y'all, I feel silky smooth, and it's been a while since I have exfoliated my skin. So sis, I'm here for it. I'm so happy I finally, you know, have the time to do this today for myself, child. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse everything off of my face. Y'all, it is crazy how smooth my face feels right now. I love a good skin exfoliator. I love how smooth my skin is after this mask, because usually the masks that I use, they don't really exfoliate that well, and I absolutely love this one. I feel like you can truly see how it brightens up the skin and just brings that brighter complexion through. I like it, baby. Not looking dull no more, sis. Then I'm going to be using moisturizer 2 from Beauty Counter, and this is their Counter Start Cocoa Boost Moisturizer. And it's very hydrating. I'm definitely a sucker for a good hydrating moisturizer. And I've been loving this one for use after that mask. So after this mask, I always make sure that I follow up with an SPF. I'm gonna be using the Beauty Counter Counter Sun SPF. Whew, yeah, I needed this today. I swear I needed this today. Like, I'm just gonna be completely honest. Like, I'm feeling the stress today. So this filming hit at the right moment, you hear me? But anyway, thank you again to Beauty Counter for sponsoring today's video. But make sure that you guys do check out their products, which are amazing. I know you see the skin, you hear me? Especially if you feel like your skin needs a little more love, or you personally need a little bit more love and self-care. Make sure you guys check out their products. I will leave all the links in the description box. So I am about to go ahead and do my makeup, y'all. We're gonna skip the makeup because I feel like every time I do a self-care video or a video ever, it's always a makeup video. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put on a little bit of makeup that I feel just makes me feel super confident and sexy just for the rest of my day, because I'm preparing to leave for Atlanta, and I want to go and get my nails done, get myself a pedicure, and just do some more things for myself to make me feel better as me, because I've been letting myself go, sis. So we're gonna just transition it up real quick on 3, 2, 1. Alright, y'all, so we're about to roll. My nails look a mess, child. Well, I need a little bit of a fill-in, and then I also, like, one of my nails is looking absolutely nuts right now. So yeah, we're gonna go get our nails done. I want to get a little bit of a pedicure, and that will probably be all, but you know, I'm gonna chat with y'all as we are on the go. I definitely feel like I'm in a state of transition right now. You guys know, because y'all watch my vlogs and you kind of stay up to abreast of what's going on with my life. But y'all, now that I feel like I'm more spread in different directions, especially being in a new relationship, I'm realizing that this self-care journey that I've been on is going to take a lot of intentionality. You know, it's going to take, you know, me setting time aside to make sure I'm still paying attention to myself, doing the things I need to do, doing my solo dates, doing my maintenance days, and things like that. And that's not something I want to lose sight of. And I've noticed that it's easy for me to lose sight of it, y'all. And I ain't trying to do that. You hear me? So I feel like when we have so much going on in life, husband, kids, boyfriends, school, work, whatever, we got to make sure we set that time out for ourselves. And I feel like today was what I needed to help to get myself back on track and back into that mindset. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.